What's up, DAW coming to you live. Welcome back. We're going to talk about the touch strip on the MPC Key 61. You might see it on the MPC 3, but we're just going to dive right into it right here. So I got a shot right here. Normally when we mix, we will mix with the mix button right over here to the right. And, you know, we can kind of see what's going on there. Or if you double tap mix, you can kind of see what's going on in the pads. But let's say you want to adjust it from here. Well, a lot of times if you just initially touch this, you'll hear an effect. But the cool thing is that you can tell it to adjust different things. So if I hold the button down, I can tell it to work at track level, or I can tell it to go to pad level. So in this case, if I'm on track level, that's my level right there visually. I can see what my track level is here without seeing it in this view. I can fade that up, fade that down, like that. I got a loop running in the background on audio channel number 3 or track 7. So if I go to track 7, I can fade that same thing because we're still dealing with track levels. So you can kind of use it, you know, you can kind of use it like a 100mm fader type of thing, right? Well, so let's work on some of the individual pads, because if you go back to your drum track and let's see, so I got a shout there, but that's a little loud. So all I got to do is hold this down, go to pad level, and now I can, that's too loud there. Find that good mix right there. Bring some other stuff in there. Right? Say I like that melody, but I think it's, maybe I want it louder or softer. So I can go to track 9, go to main, use your plus menus if you want to. Go to track 9, touch strip, go back to track level. I can mix. And, you know, you can kind of go between your tracks and kind of see how the level changes between the tracks. You know, kind of give you an instant view. Now, again, you know, you can go to mix and see it all here. But maybe you want to work on it in a little bit of a different way right there. So, you know, experiment with this touch strip. I like mixing with this versus the mix. Sometimes if I'm in the creation mode, I mainly like it for mixing my drums as I create the kit, because sometimes maybe a kick or a clap or something may be too hot, too soft right there. So, you know, that's something I like to do. So try that out for your MPC. You're watching the DAW T2K YouTube channel. I'm DAW.
You've been watching DAW, producer, creator, and artist. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. His latest EP, Hard NB, is streaming everywhere. Get exclusive loops and presets at DAWT2K.com. Support the channel by using his Zounds link in the description.